What do you think about this look of Kirk Hinrichs?
Let's take a look at it.
And just get him quick. There you go. Come on, you get out of the way. Trust me. There they go. There we go.
The shop class look. Yeah.
Very
popular in high school.
Yep. You remember your shop teacher when you were in? Oh my goodness, that's going to go
tapped up and
that's
in.
Crazy.
Off the jump ball, Darko Milicic stands in disbelief as it's thrown up and somehow manages to find the bottom.
I've never seen, strategy-wise, I've seen guys try to do it at the end of the game if you got a jump ball to make a basket at the last second, but I've never seen it done. That's crazy.
We have seen some wild things at Target Center the last couple of games, and this is certainly deserving of a second look.
That's something you see every day.
Going up for the jump ball with Darko Milicic. Oh my goodness.